sales growth has been good. And it has been good because companies have been able to pass on costs to customers who've been willing to buy. But you're seeing fewer customer transactions these days, as Home Depot, as you just cited, said in their earnings report. Now people paid up. The tickets were more expensive because, products have become more expensive because of inflation. At some point, that's going to run its course. The consumer is not going to be either willing or able to continue to pay up for these high prices, which the Targets of the world literally just told you they can't raise any more. So that would seem to mess with your projection a little bit, I think.
Yes and no. I mean, the consumer still, obviously we know you never bet against the U.S. consumer, number one. Number two, I think what's interesting is the way that the market is trading, the way that the market is acting around these companies. They're treating all companies equal, which we know is not the case. And so there's a very good chance that Target's going to be doing a better job relative to Walmart, or Costco is going to be doing a better job relative to
why? But
to
why?
Home Depot. Why?
But why? Brian Cornell told you that he did. These are my words. He did a bad job of forecasting. He owned it. He ate it, right? Walmart had similar problems. They projected poorly. But what gives you confidence that they're going to be able to do that any better moving forward in what is a quickly changing environment?
Well, here's my confidence. My confidence is that it's still, just like at the stock pickers market, companies are going to be able to do things better as well. And I do think that the consumer is still going to spend $100, Scott. They're just going to maybe be much more concentrated on where they spend that money, and that money is still there. Now, it is troubling that they've been bottling up and not passing along these costs. But again, there's a very good chance that some of these pressures with respect to supply chains could fall off really dramatically the second half of the year, and inflation could drop off, and some of this may be a moot point. And yeah, there is going to be some costs that are going to be passed along, but the consumer remains resilient, and that's why we're so bullish on that.
All right. I appreciate you coming to the phone on a moment's notice. That's Brian Belski from BMO.